Viewers, today I have brought a very beautiful and classic new niche for all of you. First, I want you to carefully watch this video and observe the character. Look at the character's design, the detailing, and the work quality. These characters look absolutely amazing, and right now, this type of content is going extremely viral. Okay, viewers, I won't waste your time. So first, open YouTube and search for a channel called Lost Legacy. This channel has over 212,000 subscribers with only around 30 videos. Yes, viewers, just 30 videos. Now, many people wonder whether such channels are monetized or not. To verify this, I will open the YT Large website. I'll copy the URL of the Lost Legacy channel and paste it there. And as you can see, this channel is fully monetized. The advertising status is active. Not only that, but the estimated lifetime earnings are over $36,000. Yes, viewers, this clearly proves that this niche is monetizable and profitable. Now let's go back to the channel and open the popular section. Look at the views, 4 million, 3 million, 2 million, 850,000. Almost every video is performing extremely well. First, carefully analyze the videos. Look at the thumbnails. They are clean, emotional, and very eye-catching. Next, choose any video that you like and take a clear screenshot of it. After taking the screenshot, open ChatGPT. Upload the screenshot and write, "I want to create the same type of video. Give me 10 prompts like this image." Then press enter. Within 1 or 2 minutes, ChatGPT will generate 10 high-quality, unique prompts for you, based exactly on the style of the image you uploaded. As you can see, all prompts are properly structured and perfectly match the reference style. Now review the prompts carefully. Make sure everything looks good. Once satisfied, copy the first prompt. And now we move to the next step, generating our image using a text-to-image tool. Let's go to the next step. All right, viewers. First of all, we are going to open the website called Digin AI. Yes, viewers, this website is absolutely amazing. It gives you 150 free credits daily. And the best part is, once you log in with your Gmail account, those daily 150 credits keep getting added automatically. Now let me give you a quick overview of this website. As you can see, there are already many images and videos uploaded here that were created using this platform. I'll scroll down a bit and show you one by one the images and videos that have been generated. You can clearly see how amazing and professional they look. This website is powerful for both image generation and video generation. And today, we are going to use this same website to generate both our images and our videos. Now, without wasting any time, let's click on the image option so we can start generating our images. Once we go into the image section, you will see different model options available, such as Image Motion, Flex 0.2, Nano Banana, Pro Banana, Zeet Image, and many more. First, I'm going to select Nano Banana because this model is currently trending and very popular for generating high-quality images. I'll copy my first prompt, paste it here, select the resolution that suits me best, and then click on Generate. After waiting for about 1 to 2 minutes, the system generates the first image. And as you can see, the Roman gladiator image has been generated exactly according to the prompt I provided. It matches the style very closely. However, this model uses 10 credits per image, so I want to try another tool. This time, we will try Flex 0.2. Yes, viewers, this tool is amazing because it generates 4 images at once. So again, I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. After a short wait, 4 images are generated simultaneously, and you can clearly see that all 4 images look incredible, with very strong character detail and overall quality. Now I'll copy my third prompt, paste it here again, and click Generate. As you can see, the third prompt images are also ready. Next, I will copy the fourth and fifth prompts and paste them one by one, and again the images are generated successfully. I'll continue this process with the sixth, seventh, eighth, and remaining prompts. One by one, I'll paste them here, and within a short time, each prompt generates 4 different image variations. And as you can see, all the images look classic, high quality, and visually stunning. Now that all my images are ready for video creation, I will carefully download the ones I like the most and save them in my folder. After saving them, I want to show you the selected images one by one so you can see the quality and the character details that were generated with captions included. As you can see, each character is unique, emotional, and perfectly designed according to the prompt. All right, viewers, now we are moving to our next step, converting images into videos. I'll click on the video option. Once I enter the video section, I will upload my first image, the one I want to convert into a video. After uploading the image, you can add a custom prompt describing what kind of movement or action you want your character to perform. After entering the prompt, I'll click on Generate Video. Now the system shows a waiting time of about 4 minutes. This process uses 20 credits. After waiting for 4 minutes, the platform generates the final animated video, and as you can see, the first video is ready. Look at the character movement, the smooth animation, and the overall cinematic feel. The result is absolutely amazing. Now I'll repeat the same process with my second image. I'll upload the image, enter a custom motion prompt, and click Generate Video again. This again uses 20 credits, and the waiting time is approximately 4 minutes. After the wait, the second video is generated, and once again the motion looks smooth and natural. You can clearly see how beautifully the character moves. Next, I'll upload the third image. After uploading it, I'll add another motion prompt according to the scene I want. This time, the system shows a waiting time of around 2 minutes. After the short wait, the third animated video is ready. And as you can see, the animation quality is impressive. In the same way, I will upload the fourth and fifth images one by one. After waiting a few minutes for each, all 5 images are successfully converted into animated videos. And you can see, every video looks classic, smooth, and perfectly aligned with the prompts I provided. This clearly proves that this website is extremely powerful, not just for image generation, but also for high-quality video animation. Now I will download all the generated videos. I'll click on Download Video and then select Download All so that all the clips are saved to my device. Alright viewers, now we are moving to our final step. To remove the logo from all our generated videos, we will open CapCut. Once inside CapCut, I'll upload all the video clips one by one. After uploading them, I will arrange them properly on the timeline, deciding which scene should come first and which should follow next. Proper arrangement is very important because it gives your video a smooth storytelling flow. Now, to remove the logo, I'll click on the Scale option. By slightly zooming in and adjusting the frame carefully, the watermark will be removed from the screen. Now I'll click on the Export option and select the quality I prefer. After exporting, within a few moments, the final video is ready. And as you can see, the complete character-based cinematic video is now finished, with no logo, smooth motion, and a professional look. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial. We will continue bringing you new and trending niches regularly. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.